What's up guys, welcome back to Healthy Recipe. Today we're going to be making a delicious papaya chow. Chow is a dish that's eaten in the Caribbean. It's really delicious. Usually it uses green mango, but green papaya is super abundant here in Southwest Florida. We have a ton outside, so we're going to be utilizing that to make a delicious, refreshing salad. It's going to be absolutely delicious. So let's get right to work. Alright guys, so we're going to pick some green Thai chilies, and this plant is loaded with them. They're kind of hard to see because they're green and the foliage is green, but you can see the red ones that are ripe. The red ones are hotter. I use these for hot sauce, so we're just gonna pick like 3 green ones, and then now we're gonna get out our papaya. All right, so here we have one of our papaya trees. We've got a bunch of these in the yard, and as you can see, it produces tons of food. I mean, I pick from these like almost every day. So we're gonna pick a nice, healthy green papaya. And now we're gonna go inside, peel it, and chop it up for this delicious papaya chow. All right guys, so with the papaya, you wanna be careful because some people are allergic to this latex. So what you wanna do is you wanna cut off the ends, just like that. Cut off that end, and you can see this like a latex coming off. Some people are allergic and it can burn your skin. So you want to cut that out. Just like that. You're going to leave it in the sink and we're going to spray it. I'm going to spray that off. And we're just going to let that release some of that material out. And later we're going to come back and we're going to peel it. Alright, so basically what you want to do is take a peeler, like a carrot peeler, and then we're just going to peel this. Really simple. Get all those peels off. This goes right into the compost bin, back into the garden. And if you guys want to see more gardening videos, we have a gardening channel we just started. It's called the Home Gardening Channel, and there's links in the description and comments, so you guys can go check it out. It's everything about home gardening and cooking your own food, sustainability, so you guys can go check that out. So basically it's really easy to peel. Then after that we're going to go ahead and cut it in half and then slice it into small matchstick type batons. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut the papaya down the middle, just like that. And it doesn't have a lot of seeds, this particular papaya. We remove a little bit of these seeds out. And then cut it. What I do is I cut it like this, just in strips. I just want to show you guys this part. I don't want to do the whole thing because it's going to be boring. But you basically just cut it into like little batons. Small pieces. And this is very crunchy, the texture. And it's a blank slate. It's flavorless. It's just really crisp. Very neutral. So you can see here. Just cut it like that in small pieces, the best you can. They don't have to be perfect. And then we're going to marinate that with the rest of our ingredients. Alright guys, so this is really simple. We have the papaya. This is actually just a piece of the papaya. I still have some to chop, but I wanted to show you how it looks like. As you can see, they're kind of like matchsticks. It's going to be a lot more to this, but I just wanted to show you the texture and the look. I have about a half cup of minced red onion, 3 cloves of finely minced fresh garlic, 2 green Thai chilies. If you don't like hot, you don't have to put the Thai chilies in there, or you could put jalapenos or another type of pepper that's milder. I'm using Himalayan sea salt to season. I got 1 tomato, and this is about a cup of diced tomato. I'm using 2 limes, and this is shadow benny or culantro. I have about a tablespoon and a half there from the garden, and you guys can use cilantro in this place to flavor it. And that's basically all the ingredients we're going to be using. It's a really simple recipe, super easy. So that's it. Alright guys, so here we have the papaya that I cut up, and what I do is I put salt in it until it tastes salty enough to me. And I let it sit for about an hour. Not even an hour, actually, I'm exaggerating. Probably about 30 minutes. And what that does is it extracts the moisture and it creates like a little brine. So now to this, we're gonna add the garlic and the Thai chili, the shadow beni or cilantro, the tomatoes, diced onion, and we're gonna take our 2 limes, add the juice, and this is an incredibly fresh tasting salad. It's a little bit like pico de gallo, something similar, but the texture of the papaya is just amazing. It's so good this way. And if you live in an area where you can grow your own papaya outside, you can just drop the seeds and they're pretty carefree plant. In a few months you will have fruits more than you can eat. So I highly encourage you guys, if you can grow your own, there's so much that you could do with it. I mean, stir fries, you can do this Asian style salads like this. So I'm gonna toss this together just to marinate all those flavors. Mix them really, really well. And this will actually taste better tomorrow when all that goodness really gets into the papaya with all those amazing fresh flavor. It will keep in the refrigerator for a few days. And you know, you're gonna enjoy it over different rice dishes or whatever. You can eat it like this plain. So that's basically it. That's my recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and serve it and give it a taste for you guys. All right, so now we're gonna serve this beautiful looking salad. And I'm using my little blue dish here. Add some more color in with the tomatoes. See if I can get a little bit more onion. Alright, so here we have it. That's basically the recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you really soon on the next one. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and give this beautiful salad a taste. Let you guys know how I like it. If I don't make a mess here. Alright. Wow. Super crispy. A little spicy. With the nice freshness of the lime. A little bit of heat and flavor from those Thai chilies. Taste the garlic. A little bit garlicky. I'm going to get another bite. This is really a delicious bite. Amazing. Highly recommend.